Hey everyone, and welcome back. Do people sometimes forget about your meetings? Let's fix that by setting up automatic reminders in Calendly. First, log into your Calendly and select the event type you want to edit. On the Event Setup page, look for the Notifications tab and click on it. Here, you'll see the section for Reminders. Click to add a new one. You can choose to remind just yourself, just the invitee, or both. I recommend sending one to the invitee to reduce no-shows. Now, set the timing. You can send an email reminder 24 hours before the event, and then another one 1 hour before. To make sure it's on their mind, you can even customize the reminder message to include the meeting, link again, or any pre-meeting materials they need. Once you save these settings, Calendly will automatically send these reminders for every single booking, without you having to think about it, and that's it. You've just set up a system that saves you from awkward. Are we still meeting? Messages and makes your schedule run like clockwork. If this cuts down on your OSLs, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.